oh boys and girls, whoever's watching, I might have bit off more than I can chew. But we will not know. We will not know until time has told. Holy shit. Welcome. So, guys, I want to update you. I'm starting to do some action now. I had a long period of reflection. Now actions are coming in. And actions are flowing in now. And now I'm happy to kind of update you and to actually document this journey and to start getting shit done to get to this $1 million fucking dollars. At the end of the day, I'm realizing, bro, this is a fucking series. Road to $1 million. We gotta get the $1 million, bro. Can't be having fucking day 1,000, bro. Gotta be pretty sure. We're on day 200 something. Give it a bit more, and it's possible. So, look, as you guys know, I'm working more on a long-term brand with my coach. Nothing like I did realize that it's nothing crazy. Like we're still not, becoming like this creating this crazy ass business plan. Like it's still more or less at the level of where I am. Just taking again that extra step, the extra boring work that no one wants to do the research and to really, it's basically like the way I would like to say it, it's like drop shipping, but you're a sniper. Instead of just like blindly shotgunning or rapid firing, you're doing your deep analysis of research, and it's kind of like a sniper. So like you'll only test a handful of products because each test is efficiently tested with 50 plus creatives, hours of research behind it. But as you know, Q4 is coming around, and I have trips. I got big plans. Your boy got big plans. I got trips to Italy and Hawaii, and we're in September. So the next few months, I'm going on 2 big trips, and your boy's gonna need some money. So crazy enough, unfortunately, my coach doesn't know this, and I don't know if he'd be happy, but I am going to be running other stores on the side. Now look, I think it's doable. Okay, I know there's so many people out there that have their big brand and run stores on the side, and I'm partnering up with 2 of my boys, one for one store, one for the other store. So the workload's gonna be easy. The money is gonna, be split, so it's easy. I know I have a YouTube to manage, a Discord to manage. I know I have a lot, but this is what I do. I have no more school. I have a part-time job, whatever. But this is what I do. So from now, waking up and like kind of just having the whole day just to do research, now there's actions being done, and I'm excited. I'm excited to get now the work done. There's gonna be a lot of work to be done, and I think it'll be good. Because I'm assuming one of these stores are gonna be profitable in some way or another, and it'll generate more money for the end of the year. And again, Q4 is coming, so I'm really hyped for it. I'm really excited, and these are the both products that I'm testing for these stores are really good products. I like them a lot. I actually did deep research for each of them, and I'm not making them a brand for like other issues. Like me and my coach talked about it. Like we're talking about how it may be difficult to market. There's gonna be a few difficulties, but I think gonna build a brand somewhere here. Have these 2 stores with the products that I've done research on. I think they're very good, and if we do it properly, should be really good. So I'm very excited. That's it. That's all the update I got for you today. I feel like I didn't teach you anything, so let me give you some life lesson. Like a quote. What's a good quote? Fuck. What's a good quote? I got a few here. Let me read. What's the point of stressing if success awaits you in any case? If you have this mindset that success is going to come to you no matter what, maybe it's this or that way, it doesn't matter, why stress? It's going to come. That's how I see it. You know, at a young age, at 21, I'm just trying shit out, trying to figure what clicks. But I know when I'm like 30 years old and got everything up and running, everything is working, I'm going to look and be like, those are good times. Like, not knowing what the fuck's working, but just trying. It's going to be good. But yeah, I'll keep you updated on the situation. And look, I don't think whether you should be running multiple stores, look, that's completely up to you. I do think, though, that if you're a complete beginner and your skill is really low, yeah, focus on that. But now that I'm having help with friends, with coaches, like, it's not just me, it's kind of like teamwork. I feel like I can manage multiple, because it's not just me alone. My brand, I'm working with my coach. These 2 other stores, I'm working with friends. So it's like, you know, it's doable. It's very doable. I'm very excited. We're going to make some bank. But guys, keep updated for the next few months, bro. These travels are going to be sick. I'm going to show you the life of e-commerce. Like, it's going to be really, really amazing. These trips I booked, they're already booked. I've already, like, booked them even when no money's coming in, because I know money is going to come in when the trip arrives. And it's going to show, like this is the life you could live realistically, because the timing of these trips, people are in school doing exams, and I'm going to be living my best life. And it just goes to show how the years prior, all that work, all that head down grind was all worth it. Anyway, stay tuned for that. Appreciate you watching. Love you all. And I'll see you at the top.